Suppose, given it's 8:30, I need to leave in 2 hours. Welcome to vlog number 325. Damn, 325 of these things. Suppose in nearly 2 years, that's not bad, but it's not great. I don't know, see if I didn't take gap, all those times we had gaps, we'd probably be like 500, 600. I don't know. Anyway, so today is a bit of a crappy one. I need to work 9, I'm doing a 9-hour shift. 12:30 to 9:30, so I'm going to leave here about 10:30 so I can get down at work decently. So, let's see, given my start time, I'll probably have to start off just doing, normal shit, just, what's the best way to put it? They'll have me stacking shelves. Yeah, they'll have me stacking the shelves, and then after a certain time, they'll start the recovery process. I just hope they don't put me into fucking health and beauty for, doing this shit. I'd happily take any other item. That's what I did last time, health and beauty, and that one's a little bit of a pain. Anyway, the next few days, all the vlogs will have to be shorter than 54 minutes. So there's much space I have left on my phone. Because if you didn't watch yesterday's, which is currently uploaded at the time of talking, we filmed the Clonari video a few days in advance just due to my work and college schedule. To me, it just made sense, to film it and upload it. Well, not upload it. I won't be uploading it until Wednesday, which is, May the 4th. Yeah. Also today, final day of April. What the fuck? And it's crazy. Anywho, let's get the bed made. There we go, the bed's made, so I have 2 hours till I leave. And basically 4 hours till I need to start my shift, right? Being it's 8:30, I've been up since 8. And I'll admit, I've just sat on my phone and been super lazy, just not doing stuff. It's like, I want to chill out. The last few couple of days, I've just been doing everything, so I was just like, suppose I got to chill out for some yesterday. Anyway, let's do a little bit of a quick go around and quick clean up before I try to go. I'm going to shower, I'm going to wash my hair because I don't have any dry shampoo, and I'm not going in look like this because today I need to confront my boss and be like, yeah, listen, I need these holidays. Or I need you to approve them or tell me if you're denying them. I just need some sort of a solid answer. And aye. So I need to look presentable. Anyway. So let me pack up some crap that's all on the floor and I'll get back to you. That's not do the boss thing, I just want to clean my floor. Nick, I'll do more, whatever. That bit doesn't count, but yeah, you can tell I'm out there for screw. So yeah, basically she says, no, but I'm not doing listen, June, that's not good enough. Because again, the rule in my work is if you want a holiday, you need to say 2 weeks in advance. I said 2 fucking months in advance, so yeah. Also, I've just noticed something. Come around to you. This is getting the yellow was really noticing noticeable on this white. No, well, the replacement parts are on the way, so that thing will be looking good soon. So yeah, I think it'll be a case of go through the medication. Maybe, yeah, a cup of tea. I don't know if I get a cup of tea, I'll sit around too long. I don't really want to do that, but I also really want a cup of tea. It's annoying me. Oh, well. Anyway, you've got this on date. Probably get maybe there'll be another one before I leave the house. That's a given. But there might be another. There might be 2. I can't guarantee it. I think it's quite obvious when I say. I think it's sorry, not obvious. That's the word I'm looking for. Sorry. I think it makes sense for me to down and say that this one will be a shorter one. You know, given it's been goddamn work. Sorry, I got 2 fun co-workers though. Okay, well. Oh yeah, I forgot to sort that out. Damn it. Anyway, I have to go do things that I need to be doing, so I'll see you guys when I'm not doing things that need to be doing. So, yeah, I have to leave in like 45 minutes. I'm just out the shower. I've had pancakes with Biscoff and other junk. Skipped on the tea though. Anyway, as you can see, there's my hand. That's what that is, and that's my other finger. These are getting more random. See, once I've made some progress in the drawing myself department. And I'm watching the Pixar kill count, because apparently why the hell not? Right, so it's currently, I'll try to help you, 25 minutes past 10, so basically I started like just under 2 hours, or just slightly over 2 hours, and I'm just getting ready to leave. Again, even though the vlogs are getting cut because I've got these other clips, that 20-minute Core Army clip, at least for today anyway, it's for advantage, given there'll be barely really any kind of vlogs. That's why I'm vlogging to do this. There we go. Yeah, try to push it out. Did not, so I could get rid of it. Right, just checking everything. I washed my hair but didn't condition it, and I'm beginning to regret not conditioning it. Just the way it's sitting. It's not like staticky like it has been previously, it's just, I don't know. It's easier to stay when I condition it. I wish I'd done that. Got my wallet, earphones, got my watch, I've got my knife, it's there. It sounds super dodgy when I say that. Right, I want to just deal with these comps and I can get going. Right, where's my other works? There it is. I need to hoover in here. I'll do it tomorrow. Obviously no time today. Right, well. Right, let's get ready to go. Just go get these on. Right, let's move. Let's let me turn off the TV. Okay, now we move. This will probably be the last talking clip we get for a while. God. There's anxiety because I need to go on up holidays. I'm not the main boss, and she's the kind of person who says something and goes, that's final. Like, she's not the type of person who likes to negotiate on shit. It's really annoying. God, I don't want to do this. It's on the shift, right? I get that. It's going to be a crappy shift, isn't it? Right? I've got 3 managers today as well. Starting off with bloody June, who's the one I need to bloody speak to on holiday, so that's fun. Then I've got fucking Diane for a bit, and I've got Stephen. See, I've got June up until like 1 o'clock or something, that's one. She's main management, and then from there, 2 more managers come on, and that's Stephen and Diane. Thankfully, Diane fucks off at half. Diane's fucking off at, I think it's 5:30 or 5:30, so from there I'm pretty much gone. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go because I need to go clean my spectacles and shit. I'll try and get some other footage, maybe on the bus or something, I don't know. That's what she said!
Yay! Oh, it doesn't fucking work. It doesn't fucking.
What the fuck? How long did you sit fucking making the aeroplane?
5 minutes.
Of course it didn't fucking work, you fucking idiot.
And I wanted away from Linda.
You wanted away from fucking Linda, so you build a fucking plane out of fucking paper that
Cardboard. Get it right.
that you can't fucking fit into.
I fit in.
Are you
I've
fucking?
got to the bed because I'm throwing away this KFC
Oh.
fucking drink.
Are,
And then,
are you fucking retarded?
Yeah.
Also, there's a bin over that side, you fucking clock.
I don't give a fuck. I want that then.
Why the fuck? We're getting you fucking checked.
But I got chicken and I don't want to go and chicken myself. Ah, fuck it.
Yeah, get your fucking ass over here, Mr. Black Man.
My chicken's stuck.
See, these are black. See, these are black problems.
My cock's stuck.
I don't actually mean any of this shit, but yeah. Okay, fine, maybe I fucking do. Drive! Drive!
Drag. Hang on.
Oh, the word on the roof says it. But when I say it, it's offensive. What the fuck are you doing now?
Eat my chicken.
Fuck, there's a popo behind you. Yeah, we have popo behind us.
I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, wait, given your current skin colour, you very probably should. Or have you just switched back to white mode or some shit? Right. Yeah, fine, good. If you want to catch the bus, don't go so slow.
Order.
Fine, I'll make an order. I don't like you at all. Take out orders only.
Okay, continue. Go.
I swear the machine bit. Oh yeah, let's see. I'll go
You
for
have chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. Oh, damn, you're so... Oh, you're broke.
Fine, I'll go for the large one, mister.
Go. Add. Add!
I'm getting the large one.
You're a fucking vegetable porn, bro.
You're a fucking Ben and Jerry's, aren't you?
You're a Taco Bell. No bag.
You're a fucking Nickelodeon ad.
No. Just stop.
How is that offensive? Explain how that's bad. Oh, I got up too fast. Wow. So, it's actually about to click over to midnight, so... Find something to watch. Working. I don't know, I'm not seeing too much. My cargo plane does not fly. 9 worst jobs for a conjurer. Okay, that I'll watch. But yeah, let's get into the conversation kind of part of this. So yeah, work was kind of crap. The only clip I got after leaving the house, I think, was a clip with me, my co-worker, who's called Russell, just being stupid and slightly racist, but do you know what? That would be a problem. Also, we don't mean it in the comments, we're just being stupid. That would be a problem if we had enough of an audience, by the way it's midnight now, to be offended. So, yeah. I can put my clear conscience there. Work was just grueling. It was just... it started off really fast, but it felt like it was getting slower and slower, and like you get it, you guys get the point. Just felt like it would just not stop dragging on, and Travis gets in my pocket. One moment. No, right, I'm sorry, I'm just gonna hang up my. But no, today's vlog was probably one of the shorter ones I've done in a while, which, do you know what, there's nothing wrong with that, it's fine, but yeah, work was just a drag. On break number 1, I just sat in the break room and just had a laugh with my co-workers. Break number 2, I went to £8 in KFC. Get one of the buckets, and ironically it was a sharing bucket for one. Yeah, so tomorrow I think I'll do the start of my no wiggle buying challenge. Like, I'll initiate on May 4th, but I think tomorrow I'll actually upload the video. So it'll be kind of cool to show everything I've bought since the last challenge. It's gonna look crazy in front of me, but it's a video I'm gonna do because, one, it will save me money. See, here's the rule: I'm allowed to buy minifigures, but I'm only allowed £15 a month to buy Lego. No sets are allowed, and obviously just minifigures or parts from Bricklink. Technically that counts as buying Lego, but it means I'm not buying sets, because trust me, see, if I've been looking at turbo tanks, other things that would be very cool with that kind of shit. But yeah, that's kind of my whole idea. It's usually more conditional like myself on that. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go watch this. I'm actually ending the vlog here because I can't wait for a long way tomorrow. Plus tomorrow we have work, but we have got a good boss anyway. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Thanks for watching.